to you watching. So this video is a really quick Ulta haul. A few weeks ago I placed an Ulta order because I am running low on bronzer and blush and I needed some new ones. I'm also running low on my black eyeliner, so I got a new one of those. So I'm gonna show you what I ended up getting. It's not very big, but I've been working really hard to keep my makeup collection smaller. So this is all I really needed, and so that's what I ordered. First, blush. I got e.l.f. Always Rosy. I haven't tried the e.l.f. blush before, but it looked pretty similar to the blush I'm currently using. There's a swatch of that, and then let's do a swatch of my current blush. Alright, so the e.l.f. is on the top, and then the bottom is the blush I'm currently using. So the one on the bottom's a little pinkier, and the other one, the e.l.f. one's a little orangier, but I think it'll be okay. Next, the bronzer I got the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. Hopefully I don't break it before I even try it. I haven't tried this one either. So, and actually, all 5 of the items I got from my order, never tried before. This is the first one. So, let's do what this bronzer looks like. Looks like nothing. Can you see? I can't see it. I can kind of see it on my finger, and I can see it on my tissue. I mean, to be fair, so this is the bronzer I'm using right now, and okay, so I can barely see the bronzer. So these are the bronzers. I can barely see them, but they bronze my face, and that's really the important thing. Anyway, so bronzer and blush, which are now currently sitting in the back of my face drawer because they're backups. I also got the Ordinary foundation. It's their coverage foundation, high coverage foundation formula. I did the Ulta, what are you looking for in a foundation? And I'm like, full coverage and good for oily combination skin, which I have. And they suggested this. And I mean, since it's the Ordinary, it's a pretty good price. I'll give it a try when I'm done with the foundation I'm currently working on. Next, we'll go down to my eye drawer because I picked up an Essence mascara. I've never tried an Essence mascara, to be honest. I know everyone really likes the Lash Princess, but I felt this brush looks like a brush that I would like. So I'm trying the Get Big Lashes. But I'll try that when I'm done with my Maybelline. And then last, I got the NYX eye pencil in black. Because I'm currently working on Urban Decay eyeliner, and it's getting down there. So, and I wear black eyeliner every day, so I needed another one of those. Yeah, so that's all I got from Ulta. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.